Welcome to this tutorial, where we'll activate two-factor authentication and change your language preference in XTEN-AV. Start by logging into your XTEN-AV account and selecting Account Preference from the Profile Icons drop-down menu. On the Account Preference page, you'll find the two-factor authentication option. Click on the plus icon to expand it. To enable the two-factor authentication, you need to verify your account password. Use the Click Here button to continue. Upon prompting, enter your account password and click Verify. Next, you'll need to confirm your email and phone number. An OTP will be sent to both for verification. Let's verify the email first. Enter the OTP sent to your registered email and click Verify. To verify the phone number, enter the OTP sent to your phone, and it will be verified automatically. Finally, click Enable to activate two-factor authentication. Now, to change your language preference, navigate to the Language Preference option. You can choose from 7 different languages. Please select your preferred language and save it as your default. Thank you for watching. For more tutorials and information, please visit XTEN-AV.com.